Welcome to Swallow Web Application SWAPP. In this video, which will be the part 3 video of delivery function, we'll cover how to print parent labels from delivery function. From delivery, inside the delivery node details, we have a print parent label button, and it is only from this page from where we can print the parent label. But there are also some other cases from which we can print the labels. To explain this functionality in detail, we must be aware of all the different cases of transport pallet handling values. It is already covered in symbol delivery video, link shared in description. So first, let's start from symbol delivery function. The symbol delivery is now renamed as pick to delivery. Let's select a delivery node from the list. When you reserve a pallet, after selecting the packing material, click OK. We get a Manage Transport Pallet pop-up. Click on New Transport Pallet Label button. At the time of transport pallet creation, we have a checkbox for printing pallet label. So this is the first place from where we had the permission to print pallet label. In some cases, it will be auto-selected as per the condition and configuration that is available in desktop application. If not checked, you can check it or uncheck as per the requirement. While creating transport pallets from delivery function also, it is exactly the same way. Then we have different cases of transport pallet handling on the basis of that, where we had three options, all, mixed, and no selection. Let's consider each. First case, mixed. Here we have transport pallet and selected internal pallets from pick to delivery function gets converted to small boxes and packed inside transport pallet and sent to customer. It is the small box labels that are printed here. Case 2, no selection. Here, we do not have transport pallets and the selected internal pallets are moved as such to the customer, and for printing, it uses internal pallet label. Case 3, or. Here we had two subdivisions. If the item packing structure is standard pallet, then the selected internal pallets get converted into standard pallet, and the print schedule for the standard pallet labels will be automatically done when you press this confirm button in the symbol delivery function. So when you click on confirm, automatically the print scheduler will put an entry in the corresponding table and badge out take it for printing. If the item packing structure is mixed or uniform, here we have transport pallets and selected internal pallets from pick to delivery function gets converted to small boxes and put inside transport pallet and then delivered to customer. The small box labels are printed automatically when you press the confirm button. Now let's see how the printing happens from advanced delivery. Here, to print the pallet label, we need to select the corresponding delivery node and go to its details. By default, this printing of pallet label button will be always active. Let's take an example. In this case, let's expand the first pallet. It is a transport pallet with internal packages, that is small boxes here, and none of the labels are printed. In this case, here you have to choose a checkbox and click on print parent label button. Just expand it once more. You can see that the selected pallet label is now printed. You can also have the provision not to select anything and then click on the print pallet label button. Then all the pallets for the selected delivery note that are not yet printed will be printed and already printed labels will be ignored by the system. Let's see how it is. Expand it once more. So all the labels are now printed. If you want to do a force print or reprinting, it is also possible. To reprint, you can just select the required pallets or packages and then click on Print Pallet Label button and it's done. So this is how we print the pallet labels from delivery function, and printing of pallet label is a mandatory step for printing the delivery notes. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you for watching.